Hi friends, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are at Ahad Excellencia project which is located on Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. So here we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. This we have entered into the living area. Here is the modular kitchen with separate utility area. Here is the washroom area. And this we have entered into the first bedroom of this flat. The spacious bedroom. And now we are moving towards the another bedroom. Beautifully designed. Here is the dressing area. And here you can see an attached washroom with this bedroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. And for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.